Year 4. I'm going to talk to you about your literacy homework for this week. First, I'm going to show you how to access homework on Purple Mash. First, you need to log in. And then you need to go to work, go to class. I'm going to choose Hudson, but if you're from Rio Grande, you'll choose Rio Grande, and then go to Home Learning folder, which is here, and you'll be able to see all the homework we upload for you each week. If you want to upload the homework you have completed, you go up to My Work, and you go down to Home Learning folder, which is here. At the moment it is empty, and then to upload a document, you click on Upload, and if you click on this arrow here, you'll be able to select a document from your computer to upload. Okay, moving on. Well done to Louis from Hudson class for being the first person to complete literacy homework from last week. Louis wrote a letter to Professor Brownstone, and his main reason why he should be selected to go and see the family vault is because he loves antiques and he would like to create an open museum for everyone to go and see these artifacts without any glass protecting them. So well done, Louis, and well done to Cleo for creating the model of the water cycle. And Cleo decided to draw her own, and she labeled it. Well done. If you wish, you can use the template we've uploaded onto Purple Mash. And well done to James from Rio Grande. Mr. Sheffield told me that this morning that you've also created an amazing letter to Professor Brownstone. Well done, James. Now, in terms of your literacy homework for this week, you'll be looking at activities related to a book called Vajak Paul, and it is an amazing book. I recommend listening to it on YouTube if you want, if you've got the time. It's free. And this book is about a Mesopotamian blue kitten who, for some unknown reasons, is stuck with his family at home. They're not allowed out. And his only entertainment is listening to his grandfather's stories about an ancestor from their family who was into cat's martial arts called the Way. Okay. And the first activity for you is to read this extract, or you can listen to it on YouTube and answer the following questions. How does this opening make you feel? Does it remind you of anything you know in stories or real life? Do you like it? Is there something you don't like? Now, the second activity asks you to read this extract again or listen to it, and draw what you see in your imagination. And this is my very simple sketch of Vajak Paul sitting on the windowsill, looking out of the window and being very curious about what happens outside. And then you need to write some words and phrases that have helped you make your picture. And under my picture, I have written curious, excited, restless, lonely, and bored. Activity number 3, talk about it. You need to look at the front cover of the book, which is here, and you need to answer the following questions. How do you think Vajak Paul is feeling? What might he be thinking? How do you know? And so on. There's a few more questions for you to answer. Activity number 4, imagine it. This is a picture taken from the first chapter, and in this picture you can see Vajak Paul staring at the cat flap. Why do you think he's looking at it? What might he be thinking? What could be behind the door? And you also need to think what it's like for a young cat to be stuck at home, being able to explore. And finally, activity number 5. This is the main activity. This is the writing activity, which you all need to upload to Purple Mash for us to see. And And you need to imagine what would happen if Vajak took the risk and left the house. So you need to create a story about what will happen to him, what kind of adventures he would be likely to have if he left the house. You can write a story, you can make a comic strip, you can make a storyboard. It's up to you. Please remember that this is a piece of homework which you all have to upload, submit, and out of the remaining 4 activities, you need to choose 1 more activity and also upload it onto Purple Mush. Good luck, have fun, and email myself or Ms. Stein or Mr. Sheffield if you have any questions or any problems with accessing your homework. Okay, good luck, bye.